You've probably been scrolling through endless options of tactical plate carriers, unsure of where to invest your hard-earned money. Well, look no further. I've tested these products personally, so you don't have to waste your time on duds. Let's dive into the top 5 best tactical plate carriers and find the perfect fit for you. Product number 1. Green City Tan Vest. When I first got my hands on the Green City weight vest in tan, I was eager to see if this budget-friendly option could hold its own against the pricier models. At just 1.5 pounds without added plates, it felt surprisingly lightweight right out of the box. The initial setup was straightforward thanks to the buckle connection design that allows for quick release and removal. I appreciated the thoughtfulness behind its compatibility. It fits shirt sizes from small to XXXL and belts accommodating waist sizes from 38 to 52. As someone who fluctuates in weight, this versatility is a godsend. Once I slipped it on, the 3D mesh lining immediately stood out, providing both comfort and breathability. This is crucial when you're drenched in sweat during an intense workout or tactical training session. The mole webbing system is another highlight, allowing for a customizable experience. Adding weight plates was a breeze, and the quick-release connectors ensured I could easily shed the vest in emergencies. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The nylon material, while durable, doesn't quite match the robustness of higher-end fabrics like 1000D nylon. This was evident after a few weeks of rigorous use, when I noticed some wear on the edges. Additionally, the tan color, while aesthetically pleasing, tends to show dirt more prominently, requiring more frequent cleaning. Product number 2. The Green City Black 1 Vest. The Green City weight vest in Black 1 caught my attention because of its sleek modern look combined with functionality. Once I put it on, the similarities with its tan counterpart were evident. It retains the same lightweight feel at 1.5 pounds and is constructed from 600D polyester, which promises durability. The quick-release buckle is a lifesaver when you're in a high-pressure situation and need to get the vest off quickly. What really set my experience apart was the comfort factor. The 3D mesh lining, both front and back, is a game-changer when it comes to tackling extreme workouts without feeling suffocated. I took it for a spin during a strenuous strength training session, and it held up remarkably well. The adjustable fit was another major plus, accommodating a wide range of body sizes, which is essential for a vest that markets itself as a one-size-fits-most. However, the cons are similar to the tan version. The 600D polyester, while tough, may not hold up to the same level as heavier-duty materials under intense conditions. After a few uses, I noticed some fraying along the seams, which was slightly disappointing. Additionally, the mole system, though functional, didn't feel as robust as those found on more expensive models. Product number 3. MG Flash Force Tactical Vest. The MG Flash Force Tactical Vest was a product I was excited to try due to its promising features and slightly higher price point. First impressions matter, and this vest didn't disappoint. Made from high-density 500D nylon, it felt robust and ready for action. The ergonomic design was evident as soon as I put it on, with thickened shoulder pads and a mesh lining that provided excellent weight distribution. The vest includes 2 placards, which added a layer of versatility. I tested the mag pouch placard, which conveniently held 3 rifle and 3 pistol magazines. Transitioning to the bonus Molly placard was seamless, showcasing the vest's adaptability. The fit was incredibly accommodating, with easy adjustments via hook and loop on the shoulder straps and cummerbund, making it comfortable for various body types. On the downside, the vest's initial setup took a bit longer than expected due to its complexity. The various customization options are excellent, but for a novice, it might feel overwhelming. Additionally, while the material is durable, it adds a bit of heft to the vest, which could be a concern for those looking for a lighter option. Ultimately, the MG Flash Force Tactical Vest is a fantastic choice for individuals who need a durable and highly customizable vest. Product number 4. G-Fire Tactical Vest. G-Fire's tactical vest intrigued me with its promise of a lightweight, agile design. As soon as I unboxed it, the quality of the 1000D fabric was apparent. It felt tough, yet surprisingly light, a testament to its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. This vest is all about mobility, and it shows. The modular design eliminates unnecessary bulk, allowing for unrestricted movement, whether you're on a patrol, hunting trip, or airsoft match. Adjustments were a breeze thanks to the comprehensive system of hook and loop shoulder straps, quick release buckles, and elastic cummerbands. Getting the perfect fit was never an issue, and the vest stayed securely in place through all sorts of dynamic movements. One standout feature is the instant emergency quick release system, a lifesaver in high-stress situations. With one pull, you can shed the vest in seconds, ensuring safety and a swift response to changing conditions. However, the vest does have its downsides. The initial price might be a deterrent for some, especially for those new to tactical gear. Also, while it does offer fantastic mobility, the minimalist design means it lacks some of the storage options found in bulkier models. For those who need to carry a lot of gear, this could be a limitation. In summary, the G-Fire Tactical Vest is ideal for those who prioritize mobility and agility without sacrificing durability.
Product number 5. Voodoo Gear Vest. The Voodoo Gear Vest caught my eye with its premium price, hinting at exceptional quality. Crafted from 500D nylon, it promises durability and resilience in challenging environments. The quick-release safety system, equipped with 4 durable buckles, ensures easy on-off access, crucial in fast-paced scenarios. This vest is all about customization. The extensive MOLLE webbing allows for modular attachments, making it easy to expand functionality with compatible gear carriers. I found the universal comfort fit to be a significant selling point. The adjustable shoulder straps and elastic back panel offered a secure and comfortable fit even during long hours of wear. The padded shoulders minimized pressure, and the inclusion of hydration tube routing added convenience for extended use. Despite its many strengths, the vest's price might be steep for some. While it offers extensive customization and storage, these features come at a cost. Additionally, the weight of the vest might be a concern for those looking for a lighter option. Overall, the Voodoo Gear Vest is perfect for serious enthusiasts and professionals who require a durable and highly customizable vest.
Choosing the right tactical plate carrier can make all the difference in your training or outdoor adventures. Whether you're on a budget or looking to invest in quality, these top 5 options offer something for everyone. Remember, the best vest is the one that meets your specific needs and enhances your performance. Happy shopping!